Good morning to one and all. I am B. Bharat from Triple Department. Today I am going to give a presentation on topic solenoidal vector. So solenoidal vector. A vector of point is said to be solenoidal if divergence of f bar is equal to 0, that is delta f bar is equal to 0. This equation is also known as conservation of mass. Solenoidal vector. A solenoidal vector field is a vector field in which its divergence is 0. That is delta of V is equal to 0. V is the solenoidal vector. So solenoidal vector field and delta represents the divergence operator. These mathematical conditions indicate that the net amount of fluid flowing into any given space is equal to the amount of flowing fluid out of it. So question: prove that divergence of r power n into r bar is equal to n plus 3 r to the power of n. Given f bar is equal to r to the power of n into r bar is equation 1. So where r bar represents position vector, r bar is equal to position vector, r bar is equal to x I bar plus y j bar plus z k bar. Therefore r bar is equal to modulus of r bar. R bar is equal to, so modulus of r bar is root over x square plus y square plus z square. So r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. This equation is number 2. So f bar is equal to r to the power of n into r bar. R to the power of n into, where r bar is x I bar plus y j bar plus z k bar, r to the power of n into x I bar plus r to the power of n into y j bar plus r to the power of n into z k bar. Divergence of f bar is equal to dou f1 by dou x plus dou f2 by dou y plus dou f3 by dou z. Dou by dou x into r to the power of n into x plus dou by dou y into r to the power of n into y plus dou by dou z into r to the power of n into z. Dou by dou x into uv is equal to u v dash plus v u dash, or v u dash plus v u dash. So we applied this formula for above equation. X into n into r to the power of n minus 1 into dou r by dou x plus r to the power of n plus y into n into r to the power of n minus n dou r by dou y plus r to the power of n plus zn into r to the power of n minus 1 dou r by dou z plus r to the power of n. So from equation 2, r square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. So partial differentiation with respect to x of equation 2. So by doing partial derivation we get 2r into dou r by dou x is equal to 2x. Dou r by dou x equal to x by r. Partial derivation of equation 2 with respect to y. 2r into dou r by dou y is equal to 2x. Dou r by dou y is equal to y by r. Partial derivation of equation 2 with respect to z. 2r into dou r by dou z is equal to 2z. Dou r by dou z is equal to z by r. Xn power r to the power of n minus 1 into x by r plus r to the power of n plus yn r to the power of n minus 1 r by r plus r to the power of n plus zn power rn minus 1, that is equal to 3 into r to the power of n plus n into r power of n minus 1 into x square plus y square plus z square by r. 3 into r to the power of n plus n into r to the power of n minus 1 into r square by r. 3 into r to the power of n plus n into r to the power of n minus 1 plus 1. 3 into r to the power of n plus n into r to the power of n, that is equal to r to the power of n into 3 plus n, where f is solenoidal of divergence of f bar is equal to r. 3 plus n is equal to 0, n equal to -3. Thank you.